Oh man, that guy just hit that other guy. You should probably go back. Oh man, that guy just hit that other guy. Oh no. He's trying to leave. I-632LM. You should probably go back. You should probably turn around and go back. It's all on camera. You should go back. You should go back. It's all on camera.
What did they low? What did they low? What did they low? What did they low?
I-632LM. White Saturn. Have his face. All right. Well. Yeah, so I saw that.
You get it on your helmet?
Yeah.
You got his tag?
Oh yeah. I got his face.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
You're the man. White something or other. I didn't really see it.
It was a, I think it was a, I don't know. I don't want to say. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it was heading on Parr Street.
Yeah, I told the guy to turn around. I was like, "You should turn around, dude." He just kept going, "Oh," and I'll clip that out and send it over to you, so you got it. Yeah, no problem. Take it easy, guys. Glad you're safe.